Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete Facebook account. Friends, due to some reason if you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, then you need to open Facebook app. Now here you need to press on these three lines. Now press on settings and privacy. Now here press on settings. In settings you need to press on accounts center. Now here you need to press on manage accounts. Now press on manage. Now here you need to press on deactivation or deletion. Now here you will find option to temporarily deactivate your account, or you can delete your Facebook account permanently. So to delete your account you need to select delete account, and in bottom you need to click on continue. As I don't want to delete my Facebook account, so I am not pressing on continue. So friends, like this you can very easily delete your Facebook account. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.